It's so annoying on Squarespace, and to be fair, on a lot of different websites, when the text goes over 2 lines and then there's that stupid hyphen. And I know this is a bugbear for so many other people as well. So what I've done is I've put together a quick code to get rid of that hyphen once and for all. So to remove automatic hyphenation, what we want to do is paste in here, body, open brackets, hyphens, manual, important, close brackets. It's as simple as that. And this essentially just means that hyphens are no longer automated. You have to put them in manually. For example, if I wanted to hyphenate examples on mobile, I'd stick the hyphen in as opposed to it being broken up over 2 lines with a hyphen automatically. And that is that. So if you found this useful, please make sure to leave a like, hit subscribe, and check out all of the Squarespace resources in the description below.